Marital rape, one of the most pressing but often ignored human rights issues. It refers to non-consensual intercourse within marriage, where a spouse is forced into sexual acts against their will. But is it a crime everywhere? The answer might shock you. Out of 193 UN member states, at least 150 countries have criminalized marital rape in some form. However, nations like India, China, and parts of the Middle East still do not fully recognize it as a criminal offense. In India, marital rape is not explicitly criminalized. Under Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code, a man cannot be prosecuted for raping his wife, provided she is above 15 years of age. This legal exception continues despite growing public outcry and judicial debates. Several cases of marital rape have made headlines in India. In 2022, the Delhi High Court gave a split verdict on criminalizing it, leaving the final decision to the Supreme Court. Cases like those of RIT Foundation V, Union of India, and numerous testimonies from survivors highlight the urgent need for legal reform. The Justice J. Verma Commission, formed in 2012 after the Nirbhaya case, strongly recommended the criminalization of marital rape in India. The report stated that marriage should not be a license to violate bodily autonomy and emphasized the need for legal reforms to protect married women from sexual violence. However, these recommendations have yet to be implemented. In a shocking case, Chhattisgarh High Court in February 2025 acquitted a man accused of sexually assaulting his wife, which ultimately led to her death. The court ruled that since marital rape is not a crime under Indian law, the accused could not be charged with rape, highlighting the disturbing legal gap that allows such injustices to persist. This case reignited debates on the urgent need for legal reform. Every individual has the right to bodily autonomy inside or outside of marriage. The conversation around marital rape must continue, and legal systems must evolve to protect all survivors. It's time to break the silence.